I have a thing for men with brown eyes and dimples. Like इतने और इतने छोटा font.
Do you think modern dating scene जो है उसकी वजह से भी एक decline आया है?
I've overshared on the internet, and I depend a lot on my audience's reaction in general. Like I thrive on learning from what they have to say or how they think.
मेरा पहला प्यार चला गया, वो पहले प्यार को 20 साल बाद भी ढूंढे जा रही है. Now it's not. अब वो नहीं है.
अच्छा, रोमांस के चक्कर में हमने नोटिस ही नहीं किया कि यार ये हीरोइन को तो कुछ रिस्पेक्ट मिल नहीं रहा था इसमें. इसकी लाइफ की पूरा पॉइंट हो गया था कि बस शादी करा दो.
Prajakta, writing your first book is always a challenge for anyone. कई तरह के डाउट्स होते हैं. You doubt your own ability. मेरे पास स्टोरी है कि नहीं है. So you have a lot of fan following and I'm sure they want to know कि what sort of process do you go through and कब पता चला कि I have the story to write and I have the skill to write now?
वो तो मेरे ख्याल से रिलीज होने के बाद ही पता चला. जब एक्चुअली बिकी. लिखना बहुत पहले से I've always enjoyed. बचपन से ही मैं लिखती आ रही हूँ. पब्लिश करने की कभी हिम्मत नहीं थी. जब ब्लॉग भी स्टार्ट करा था उस टाइम पे, आई रिमेंबर there were so many articles that I would write, but I wouldn't have the gumption to just publish it. क्योंकि मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि in general for the past 10 years I've been like online, I've overshared on the internet and like, but still लिखना और putting out anything you've written, I think is when you bear the most of yourself to the world. I think, at least I feel like that as an artist. तो मेरे लिए वो कभी डाउट नहीं था कि मुझे लिखना आता है या नहीं, because I knew that unless I publish it, I'll never know. Like once it does go out, I depend a lot on my audience's reaction in general. Like I thrive on learning from what they have to say or how they think something I've put out works. So even if I told myself कि okay, I know how to write, I wouldn't believe it till I actually put it out and I got an idea of that. So I think a lot of that has come full circle. Like I've gotten closure on a lot of those things release के बाद.
Okay. So जब आप लिखते हो तो do you imagine yourself as the lead character? Of course, अवनी का आपने सोचा था कि you were imagining yourself as, या फिर आप एक observe की तरह उन दोनों की लाइफ देख रहे थे?
I think क्योंकि ये मेरी पहली बुक है, जब मैं अभी JLF में थी जयपुर लिट फेस्ट पे, तब मेरी किसी से बात हो रही थी, तब उन्होंने बोला कि जब आप पहली बार लिखते हो, स्पेशली अ बुक, बिकॉज इट्स जस्ट सच अ डॉन्टिंग टास्क, राइट? जस्ट द अमाउंट ऑफ डिटेल दैट यू गो इनटू एज अ राइटर व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग ऑन like 300 pages of a story.
Of course.
The lowest hanging fruit or the easiest space to go to for inspiration is yourself. तो वो conscious हो या ना हो, वो आसान है. And I think I definitely leaned on that for my first book. Avni के character को लेके, like a lot of the internal monologue that she has is very, very me, or her likes, her dislikes are very, very me. I also don't like monsoons. I have a thing for men with brown eyes and dimples. You know, in general, I like my chai, I like my romance novels, and I like sitting in the balcony in the sun, reading my book. मतलब ये सारी छोटी-छोटी चीज़ें जो उसके I'd love to work in a bookstore. ये सारी छोटी-छोटी चीज़ें उसकी are definitely from me, क्योंकि वो बहुत आसान था मेरे लिए अवनी को build करना. But going forward for the next one, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि अब थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा to, because I've used it all. कि मैं जितना यूज कर सकती थी अपने ट्रेड्स को मैंने वो कर दिए अवनी में. और अब अवनी इज अ कैरेक्टर दैट सेट इन स्टोन इन ऑन पेपर आदो. तो मेरे को अगली बुक के लिए अब मेहनत थोड़ी ज़्यादा करनी पड़ेगी कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग में, बट मुझे मज़े भी आते हैं.
राइट. सो अब अगली बुक की बात कर रहे हैं तो पूछना चाहूँगा, आर यू लाइक राइटिंग अनदर वन ऑफ अ रोमांटिक स्टोरी, या फिर आप किसी और जॉनर में जाने वाले हैं?
मेरे बस की नहीं है किसी और जॉनर में जाने की. मैं कुछ और लिख ही नहीं सकती हूँ.
Okay.
मुझे बस रोमांस लिख नहीं सकती हूँ और लिखना चाहती भी नहीं हूँ, एटलीस्ट फॉर नाउ. आई लव रोमांस. आई हैव ऑलवेज एंजॉयड इट एंड आई ओनली वांट टू राइट रोमांस.
Okay. So were you inspired by some other works for writing a rom-com? Any movies, any books?
Inspired, I mean, बचपन से ही I've been inspired with the movies that I was watching, with the music that I was listening to, with the people that were around me. I mean, touch wood, I feel my parents have had a beautiful life together, and then when I came in, you know, it has been, touch wood, very good. So unse inspiration in general, the way that I think or the way that I look at my personal life, different kinds of romance, but romance has always been very, very existent throughout all phases in life. तो लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स, बट अगर ऐसे बैठ के सोचूं कि अच्छा ये चीज़ मैंने वहाँ से इंस्पायर करी है, इस चीज़ का आइडिया मुझे यहाँ से आया,
Right.
वैसा नहीं है.
ओके, सो अगर हम रोमांटिक बुक्स की बात कर रहे हैं, इन रिसेंट ईयर्स ऑफ कोर्स एक दौर था 90s का, 2000 का, जब रोम कॉम्स बहुत आती थी, बुक्स भी बहुत ज़्यादा आती थी.
Books
अचानक
अभी
से
बहुत आती
बुक्स अभी भी आती है, बट मूवीज का मैं स्पेशली बोलूँगा, इवन इंटरनेशनली, नॉट जस्ट इन
Right,
इंडिया,
yeah.
देयर इज अ डिक्लाइन इन रोमांटिक
Now
रोम
it's
कॉम.
picked up.
या आई थिंक सो,
It's
बट
picked up in the past 2 years.
ओके, बट मेरा ये चीज़ पूछना है आपसे कि डू यू थिंक मॉडर्न डेटिंग सीन जो है उसकी वजह से भी एक डिक्लाइन आया है? बिकॉज जो एक प्योर रोम कॉम, मतलब जो मीट क्यूट जिसको हम बोलते हैं, वो चीज़ थोड़ा सा ख़त्म हुआ है, इसलिए लोग थोड़ा टफ पड़ रहा है राइटर्स को लिखना.
देखो, अगर ऑनेस्टली अब जैसे आई एम 31 years old, नाउ आई हैव ग्रोन अप ऑन अ लॉट ऑफ दैट कंटेंट.
राइट.
अब ऑनेस्टली अगर हम बैठ के कुछ मूवीज को ऑब्जेक्टिवली देखें रिलेटेबिलिटी की लेंस से, तो दैट्स इट डजंट ऐड अप.
राइट.
मतलब बहुत सारी चीज़ों की अवेयरनेस अब हो जाती है कि अच्छा, रोमांस के चक्कर में हमने नोटिस ही नहीं किया कि यार ये हीरोइन को तो कुछ रिस्पेक्ट मिल नहीं रहा था, इसमें इसकी लाइफ की पूरा पॉइंट हो गया था कि बस शादी करा दो. बट इट लुक्ड ब्यूटीफुल और हमें
Right.
गाने बड़े पसंद आए और पिक्चर बहुत चली और सबने बात करी उसके बारे में, तो हमने बहुत सारी चीज़ें ओवरलुक कर दी. आई डोंट थिंक रोमांस हैज़ चेंज्ड. I think A, terminology is more existent, and B, awareness कुछ चीज़ों की बढ़ गई है, so that we don't settle for things that have been
Right.
always around. For
बट स्टिल
example,
जैसे मैं ये कहना है, जैसे पहले होता था ना कि पहला प्यार है मेरा पहला प्यार. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कुछ होता है हमें, मेरा पहला प्यार चला गया, वो पहले प्यार को 20 साल बाद भी ढूंढे जा रही है. नाउ इट्स नॉट,
पर
अब वो
पहले
नहीं
प्यार
है.
को
लाइक
20 साल बाद तक ढूंढा, एंड आई लव कुछ होता है,
Yeah.
बट 20 साल बाद, पर उन 20 सालों में वो वैसी की वैसी रही,
राइट.
but he had a whole life na.
Yeah.
He married his first love, and he had a child, and everything happened, and then she got, and then I feel very bad for Salman Khan yaar in that movie. मैं कहा है बेचारा, ऐसे तो खड़े खड़े बैंड बज गई for no reason. तो मैं वही कह रही हूँ, the generation today, a huge chunk of the younger people today are aware and are also self-preservative.
ओके.
They want that in their life, but not at the expense of their mental health and wellness. अब जैसे terminology की जब मैं बात करूँ, when I was in college, I've also had these vague relationships where I'm talking to these boys, but we are not committed, but we're like, when we are together, whatever. Now, I know now it's called a situationship. But these things have always been there. So I think what the Gen Z did was just put terms to it. Defined
Right.
it so that you can identify it better. I think romance evolves generationally, but I don't think it ever changes. I don't think so.
Okay. So there's always been
Which
a
is a
debate.
stupid statement, makes no sense. It evolves, but I don't think it reduces, is what I meant. Of course, if evolve is
Right,
change.
right, right.
I'm not supposed to jump this.
So there's always been a debate between book lovers and film lovers. वो हमेशा कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि फिल्म्स कभी रिक्रिएट नहीं कर सकती बुक्स का मैजिक. यू आर एन एक्टर, अब आप राइटर भी हैं. विच साइड विल यू पिक?
Depends what I'm doing. If I'm writing, I'll pick the book side. But if I'm being cast, I'll pick the adaptation side. But you know, like when I said कि अभी पिछले 1-2 सालों में there's been a rise in general with mainstream cinema turning towards rom-coms again. And I'm not talking about Christmas movies.
Right.
There's this book called Red, White and Royal Blue, जिसकी adaptation बनी थी Amazon Prime Video पे.
Okay.
Beautiful adaptation. Same actor, Nicholas Galitzine, was in The Idea of You with Anne Hathaway. Love the book. Love the adaptation. Obviously discrepancies होंगी, थोड़ी बहुत liberty इधर उधर ली जाएगी कि ये तो ऐसा नहीं था, हमने तो सुलेन को ऐसा नहीं सोचा था, ये नहीं वो नहीं. But मुझे दोनों में ही मज़े आए. मुझे बुक पढ़ने में भी मज़े आए
Right.
और मुझे मूवी देखने में भी मज़े आए. Also it just helps that Nicholas Galitzine is beautiful. So congratulations to him on that. But he is beautiful to look at. He's such a good actor. Mismatch was an adaptation. I've read
Right.
Sandhya Menon's When Dimple Met Rishi, but I think what the makers and writers of Mismatch did with the manuscript was also beautiful. I think it really is, at this point, it's a gamble. So I can't pick a side.
Okay. So which actors do you think will be the
Me.
best suited for your own book?
Yes.
And the main lead?
That I will audition. That we'll
Okay.
see.
Okay. So we came across really heartwarming reviews of Too Good to Be True on Amazon. I'll read a few. I couldn't keep this book down. I was hooked. I relate in so many ways with Avni and with her bold character and the love and support around her. How does it feel to see that readers connect so so deeply with your story and characters?
It's very reassuring क्योंकि जब तक मैं इसीलिए तो मैं in the first question also that's what I meant when I said कि I can prepare for it for whatever reaction has to come and I was ready for it. I've been putting content out for over almost a decade now.
Right.
So I understand that whatever I do put out will find its audience eventually at some point, and if not, then they'll tell me how I can do this better. So I was always very dependent on reviews and reactions for the book. लेकिन जब that becomes a reality, there is this certain sense of reassurance that comes. There's a certain sense of confidence that comes, honestly. क्योंकि ना सब में से पूछ रहे थे like my team is here, my publishers are here. They were all asking me, Pradita, what about the next book? I said, I can't make that decision until I am very heavily dependent on the reaction for this book to know if I even have the guts to write another one. So I'm very grateful for that. लेकिन दो reactions हैं जिससे मेरे को सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी मिलती है. एक तो ये है कि this book got me out of my reading slump, and the other is this is my first book. But I picked it up, and these two make me very, very happy. Anytime I read this, it makes me very happy.
Right. So मेरा actually next question यही था. What book will you recommend for the beginner, the reader who's just beginning his reading journey?
There's never one book, you know. There's always. But can I tell you some? Can I share something that helped me with starting a habit? मतलब फिर वो पहली book actually. अगर आपको कॉमिक्स से शुरू करना है उससे कर दो. मैं तो कहती हूँ टिंकल चाचा चौधरी से शुरू कर दो यार, उसमें भी मजे आते हैं. छोटे छोटे बुक्स के कई बार ना कि ऐसे देख के लगता है कि इतने और इतने छोटा फॉन्ट बहुत है. And I get it, it's overwhelming. People in my life, I know someone who's very, very special to me that I will think about marrying or not very soon, has not read the book.
Yeah.
But I know he doesn't come from a place of कि मुझे नहीं पढ़नी. It comes from a place of कि यार बहुत है, आराम से पढ़ूंगा बैठूंगा, तो उसके चक्कर में ना आदत नहीं बन पाती. Remove that marrying beta. I just have to say that again. There's a lot of people in my life also who will who do get intimidated कि नहीं हो रहा इतना. So one thing that helped me, two things actually, was one, I told myself that I'll read 1 page a day. That's it. So it's not that daunting a task. वो 300 पेज की बुक हो या 800 पेज की बुक हो, मैं 1 पेज पढ़ूंगी रोज. एंड सी ना कोई जल्दी तो है नहीं. ऐसा नहीं कि इस साल में इतने खत्म ही करने हैं, इतना करना ही है. एंड नंबर 2 is the minute you feel like a book is not working for you, put it down, pick up another one. I think half the motivation to continue reading goes away when you're reading a book that doesn't give you joy. Now suppose even if you're reading my book, you reach page number 5 and you don't like it, put it down, pick up another romance novel or pick up another book, whatever it is that you want to put, that's fine. But I think keeping that moving could help with getting a reading habit through.
Right. So is there one book that you will want to read all over again for the first time? किसको भूल जाती हूँ इस बार फिर से मैं इसको पढ़ना है मुझे.
So many books. I would love to read A Princess Remembers by Rajmata Gayatri Devi, Norwegian Wood by Haruki Murakami, The Last Queen by Chitra Banerjee. So many. I really can't pick. But these 3 for sure.
Okay. So Prajakta, thanks a lot for joining us, and
thank
congratulations
you,
on the success of the book.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Also, thank you so much to Amazon for being solid partners for us with this. I mean, I was very excited when every time there would be discussions happening with you all. Also, it's one of the bigger places that the book has been sold on. So thank you.
Congratulations once again, and thanks a lot.
Hello everybody, I'm Prajakta Kori, and I am very happy and grateful that I am Amazon Book Bazaar's Author of the Month for February. Honestly, couldn't think of a better way to start my Feb off because I've always been a romantic. I knew I always wanted to read romance novels, watch romantic movies, listen to romantic music, and then I've gone ahead and written a romantic book. So life is pretty pink and fun right now. I'm very, very happy to be where I am. But it's the month of romance, and if you have a special someone, or if you want to gift something to someone that you want to make special, then a book, I think, is always a very, very personal kind of present. छोटी सी टिप देती हूँ, मुझे गिफ्ट करना पसंद है वो बुक जो अगर रोमांस बुक है दैट आई हैव लव्ड एंड आई हैव मार्क्ड इट with little notes here and there. It's a little more high on effort, but I'm sure if the person you're giving it to enjoys reading books, will enjoy that. So you could gift her a book, and if you are her or him a book, and if you're thinking which book to gift, I think The Last Queen by Chitra Banerjee is a beautiful, heartbreaking but beautiful love story, and there are little lines in it that you can highlight and stuff. And you could also gift them Too Good to Be True by Prajakta Kori. Let me know how it goes.